Dear student, today we will continue with chapter How, When and Where. In last session, we have studied how do we periodize and other things. Today we will study about colonization, sources of information and knowledge about some important word. Today, first of all, what is colonization? A process in which one country subjugates another and thus brings changes in political, economical, social and cultural fields is known as colonization. British came to India and stabilized their rule by defeating local Nawabs and Rajas. The British stabilized their control over the economy and society. ब्रिटिश भारत में व्यापार करने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन उन्होंने यहाँ की परिस्थितियों को देखते हुए यहाँ के स्थानीय राजाओं और नवाबों को पराजित कर भारत में ब्रिटिश शासन की स्थापना की। प्रथम में यह कंपनी का शासन था और बाद में ये पूर्णतया ब्रिटिश शासन के रूप में स्थापित हुआ। The British exercised their control over the economy and society, collected revenue to meet all their expenses, brought the goods. They wanted to lower prices and produced commercial crops. They needed to export. उन्होंने निर्यात करने के लिए फसलों की आवश्यकता थी और उन्होंने यहाँ के किसानों को उन फसलों को पैदा करने के लिए बाध्य किया। They brought about significant changes in values, customs and practices of their colony. Now, sources of information. Administration produce records. Historians use different sources in writing about the last 250 years of Indian history. One important source is the official records of the British administration. Every state's instructions, plan, policy, decisions, agreement, investigation of British administrations were clearly written up. Surveys become important. Next, the British believed that a country had to be known thoroughly before it could be administered. Thus, detailed surveys were being carried out by them in early 19th century. Revenue surveys were conducted in the villages. They were conducted to know the topography, the soil quality, the flora and fauna, the local stories and cropping pattern. All these were necessary to know the method of administrations for that regions. Next, official records. The official records only tell us that what the official thought and what they wished to preserve for the future generation. Official records do not tell what other people in the country felt, the what lay behind their actions and other sources. There are other sources from which we know about common man. These other resources included diaries of different people, accounts of pilgrim and travelers, autobiographies of important personalities, popular booklets, newspaper, etc. All these sources were produced by literate person. From this, we will be able to understand how history was experienced and lived by the tribals and peasants, the workers in the mines or the poor on the streets. That's all. इसमें किस प्रकार से तिथियों का निर्धारण हुआ, इतिहास कैसे लिखा गया, इतिहास के बारे में पता करने के स्रोत क्या थे, इन सब का वर्णन किया गया। अब कुछ महत्वपूर्ण शब्दों के बारे में जानकारी, उनके क्या अर्थ हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिश इंडिया, इंडियन टेरिटरी अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल। हिस्टोरियन, an expert in history, a person who studied the right about history, जो इतिहास के बारे में लिखते हैं उन्हें हिस्टोरियन कहते हैं। एंशियंट, belonging to a period of history that are thousands of years in the past. Ancient in प्राचीन। Medieval, Middle Age, the period in which feature of modern society did not exist. मध्यकालीन, modern period, नवीन, वर्तमान, a period which was associated with the growth of all forms of modernity, science, religion, democracy, liberty and equality. Periodism, division of history into different periods. Subjugations, to gain control over a country. Colonization, a process in which one country controls to an area, a country that is not its own, sends peoples from its own country to live there, brings political, economic, social and cultural changes. Tahsildar, a revenue administrative officer in charge of obtaining taxation from a tahsil. A tahsil was an administrative division under British Raj. Archives, a place where a collection of historical documents of records of government, a family, a place or organization are stored. Calligraphist, a person who specialized in the art of beautiful writing, जो सुंदर लिखने की कला में निपुण होता है, स्पेशलिस्ट होता है, विशेषज्ञ होता है। सर्वे, द एक्ट ऑफ meaning and recording the measurements, future, etc. on an area of land in order to make a map or plan of it. Topography, study and description such as a chart of map of the distribution, relative position, elevation of natural and man-made feature of a particular landscape such as mountains, rivers, valleys, human settlements, railways, lines and roads, and also includes local history and culture. That's all.